Okay, so Rat King 6662 666 was taken. Told me to make a kill agents tier list. I don't really want to do this, but this one looks like an octopus. That one looks like an eye. Eyes are cool. This is an eye tier. This is tentacle tier. I don't know what the hell that is. I think you got your shit all mixed up. So this is tier. That one looks like a creepy eye. That looks like a lot of tentacles. This one doesn't quite look like an eye. It's like abstract tier, I guess. Like this, I don't know what the hell that is. Data tier. This is like a picture of a landscape with like text hidden in it. That's like Cactus's thing, so that's Cactus tier. He invented that when he did Deus Ex Machina. There's another kaleidoscope thing. It's another Cactus sort of kill agent. This is more like sacred geometry. Sacred geometry. This is sacred geometry tier. Okay. This one is Neon Genesis Evangelion tier. Because it looks like the angel triangle. This one is, I'm not sure, because it looks like an angel, but it's got text hidden and it's like a freaky landscape thing. Yeah, I don't care. I'm trying to get through this as fast as possible. It's kind of a temple, I guess. That looks like a horizon. There's probably some text hidden in there. And that row above. This fractal tier. These are all fractals. They don't look like anything. This is blood tier. Because it looks like nothing. I don't know what it's supposed to be. These are like orbs. Yo, what the hell is this shit? Thank you for watching my video. Please downvote all my SCPs.